All right. Explain to Papa about your crystal.
So I made this project at school and
how do you make it?
I used borax, water, and the pipe cleaner.
Borax, water, and pipe cleaner. So all three things together, or do you need to mix them? What do you do with the three components?
You mix the borax and water together first in a cup. Then you tie a string to a stick and tie the other end of the string to your project. But first, you make a structure out of it. Then you dip the structure into the borax and water. But you have to wait 4 days for it to crystallize.
You wait 4 full days?
4 days.
Oh my goodness. All right. Nice project. Yeah. And afterwards, do you have to take it out and let it dry?
No. You just put it somewhere for people to see when you're finished, when it's all crystallized.
Oh, so you can take it right out of the solution?
Yes.
And at the end, do you still see some solution, or all the solution has evaporated?
I still see solution.
Okay. And the in the middle of it, the string, is it made of yarn?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Good job.